This is a big setback for the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. The Calcutta High Court has ruled in favour of the BJP and allowed the party to hold the Rath Yatra rallies in West Bengal. The Calcutta High Court instructed the state authorities to make arrangements for smooth rallies and asked the state police to be prepared in 12 hours, that is with 12 hours notice. The court also imposed conditions on the BJP's Rath Yatra, asking the party to ensure rallies don't cause any inconvenience to the public and that the Saffron Party is responsible for any wrongful damage to public property. The Mamata government had earlier denied permissions for the Yatras, citing intelligence reports and about efforts to disrupt communal harmony.
न्यायपालिका का स्वागत करते और हमें विश्वास था कि हमें न्याय मिलेगा, क्योंकि डेमोक्रेसी में किसी भी राजनीतिक दल को इस प्रकार उसकी गतिविधि करने से रोका नहीं जा सकता। तो ये गणतंत्र बचाओ यात्रा, यह निश्चित रूप से गणतंत्र बंगाल का बचाएगी। ममता जी को हटाने के लिए न्यू इस यात्रा के माध्यम से ही बंगाल में डाली जाएगी और मैं समझता हूँ ये तानाशाही के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा करारा तमाचा है।
मॉरल विक्ट्री तो उस समय हो गया था जब ममता बनर्जी ने इस यात्रा पे रोक लगाई थी, तो मॉरल विक्ट्री उस वक्त हो गई था। अभी ये जुडिशियल विक्ट्री है और मैं आपको यकीन के साथ ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ, ये विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू ममता बनर्जी एंड हर एक्सपीरियंस, हर पोजीशन, सीनियरिटी, कि बड़ा बेशर्म सरकार है ये, इससे कुछ सीखने वाले हैं नहीं। इनको आगे भी जुडिशियल लड़ाई लेके जाएंगे, ऊपर तक जाएंगे और ये सब के पीछे ना एक बड़ा अंदरूनी एजेंडा छुपा हुआ है। ये भी मैं आपको बता दूं, आप इसे ऐसा सोचिए कि यही उनका अपीसमेंट पॉलिटिक्स है।
Peoples of the states, they are very much against that judgment and their sentiment has been vindicated and their sentiment has been passed by the Calcutta Honorable High Court. So it is the victory of the peoples of the country, peoples at large in the Bengal. Bharatiya Janata Party is a reasonable political party. They have ruled at least 17 states in the country. So BJP is not the communal. BJP not encouraging any communal thing.
I have been begging BJP leadership that saw you are desperate to create 46-47 kind of situation in West Bengal. Bengal suffered a lot during that phase, though probably they have not read that part of history. We'll advise them, please sir, look at the fact that more often than not your Rath Yatras are actually Rakt Yatras. They create situations in towns and villages which becomes very difficult for people to cope with.
Well, the political war has only just begun after this verdict at the Calcutta High Court. We have to wait and see if the West Bengal government moves the division bench here at Calcutta High Court, keeping in mind that both Supreme Court and Calcutta High Court will go in for winter vacation tomorrow and day after. So we'll have to wait and see the legal aspect. But of course, the political fireworks are far from over here. Remember, it's going to be a blockbuster Lok Sabha campaigning here in West Bengal, with Mamata Banerjee holding that brigade rally on the 19th of January, and now with the court allowing BJP to carry out its Ganatantra Bachao Yatra, it is going to overlap with Mamata's brigade rally here in Kolkata. Simultaneously, there will be MPs and even the Prime Minister who will be in Kolkata around the 22nd of February addressing a mega rally here in Kolkata. We still have to get the schedule from the BJP. They're still waiting for that order copy. But the political fireworks have just begun, and we will wait and see how the TMC now responds to this from the BJP, considering the BJP is all ready to take out their Ganatantra Bachao Yatra from Saturday in Cooch Behar district of West Bengal.